Hello everyone, my name is Bakhtiyar Siddiqui and I represent as VP Operations for Far East for a software company called Focus Softnet Pte Limited. As a technology solution company, Focus Softnet provides support to all its enterprise customers spread across Asia Pac through an established network of direct offices and partners. We predominantly operate in Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Philippines. In fact, in Malaysia, we have a comprehensive presence covering central region, northern region, and down south from Johor and Malacca. Furthermore, we have established partner network in Thailand as well as in Myanmar. What we do? Well, predominantly over the years, Focus Softnet has been engaging with SMEs and businesses in problem-solving technology tools which enable digitalization and provide end-to-end digitization in the framework of ERP, CRM, HCM systems. Today, we have evolved to be a all-in-one cloud-based solution company, which is providing all the facets of a business, or which enables a business to integrate all the facets into one platform. Further, all the solutions offered by Focus Softnet are cloud-ready and mobile-ready. The solutions offered by Focus Softnet are eCom and MCom enabled. For any SME which wants to embark on a eCom journey or an MCom journey, can hop on along with Focus Softnet and take the advantage of readily available plugins which are in the framework of the Focus Softnet's offerings. Over the years, Focus Softnet has developed vertical-specific industry solutions ranging from automotive as a comprehensive dealer management system, car rental system, education systems, comprehensive courier management, niche-based courier management system, niche-based real estate systems, so on and so forth. All the solutions offered by Focus Softnet are empowered with built-in BI, which enables the businesses and users across the board to churn the data as per their requirement and make an effective and decisive decision making with the help of analytics provided by the BI tools from the platform. Of late, Focus Softnet is coming forward in providing futuristic or future-ready solutions and integrations on artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, and RPA. In the process, we have launched Focus IFA, which is an AI VUI-driven platform which enables voice user interface and which helps a user to do the voice commands and get the reports on the mobile device or on the web. The industry verticals, which are predominant industry verticals or sweet spots across the regions over the years. In fact, it's been about 15 plus years since Focus Softnet is in the region, and we have a comprehensive experience and advantage on certain sectors which are foodstuff, for example, essential services in the sense commodity trade, restaurant businesses, point of sale, transportation and logistics, cosmetics, marine support, medical supplies, and so on and so forth. Further, we have bespoke and customizable solutions as per the regional requirements for warehousing and logistics systems, which includes 3PL billing, which includes storage, which includes space billing, etc. Further, we have aligned our solutions to the regional requirements when it comes to rental contracts, when it comes to dormitory-based rental solutions or real estate solutions, as well as computer-aided facility management systems. Focus Softnet USPs or unique selling propositions. First and foremost, the investment-friendly model which Focus Softnet brings in the form of SaaS on premise or SaaS on cloud model, which helps a business to have lower TCO. The localized statutory compliance with respect to financials in terms of IRAS guidelines and IRA specific GST Form 5 alignments in Singapore perspective. Similarly, for Malaysia, SST and Royal Customs alignments. Similarly, on PFRS, which is Philippine-specific alignments on financial reporting, are in place on the platforms offered by FocusSoftNet. Furthermore, HRMS or the HCM system offered by Centra Hub under FocusSoftNet's offering is aligned to the Singapore statutory requirements with respect to CPF. Also, it aligns to the statutory requirements of EPF, SOXO, EA form, etc. for the Malaysia perspective. Another advantage is the localized implementation support and handholding experience by FocusSoftNet across the region. The solutions offered by FocusSoftNet are modular and scalable. It comes in multiple variants, which enables a business to embark on a standard model possibly or a standard variant possibly, and over the period of time grow along with the business and grow the solution or scale up the solutions as per the growth of the business. The global strengths, FocusSoftNet brings in industry practices or industry best practices from around the world, and that is regionally aligned during the process of time. Last but not the least, customer engagement and service. This is part of the organization DNA to have customer service being in play at all levels. Engagement avenues. We would be more than happy and would be delighted to connect to end user SMEs or business entrepreneurs for a need-based engagement and with a problem-solving approach. Similarly, we would want to connect with business associations, IT experts, or business associates to work on a methodology of creating an ecosystem by offering this best fit solutions from the portfolio of FocusSoftNet to the respective members or clientele. Further, we would want to engage with channel partners or SI companies in a comprehensive framework of Focus Partner Program, which enables a value-add services and creates a mutual value or mutual advantage to both the organizations or both the parties. Here is a brief portfolio of solutions offering by FocusSoftNet. For more information, please visit www.focussoftnet.com or reach us directly. Thank you.